In this video, I'm going to show you how to create pattern text or add any image inside the text using Canva. So let's get straight to the video. I'm going to use these patterns from Creative Fabrica. I already downloaded them and uploaded to Canva. I'm going to create similar design to this one. You can see two people bought this in last 24 hours. Here is the same. So let's get started. I'm on the main page on Canva, hit create, and I'm gonna use this one 5000 by 5000 pixels. I will go on uploads. This is my, let's choose, let's say this one. And let's open another window. And which one? Let's say this one or this one. All of them, they are good. I don't know. Let's say this one. Let's remove the other one. Go again. This one also. Let's say this one. Okay. So I'm going to show you few different variations because if we're using the normal size, it's not gonna be very good. Let's first of all find a text. I'm gonna type T for text, make it bigger. Let's say 80. And I'm gonna use this one, build tilting bolt. I will make this even bigger, 180, let's say. And because the Halloween is coming, let's create spooky mama. Make this bigger, like this. I'm gonna curve this one. So from here we can change the curve. Let's say this one. Let's make it bigger. And mama underneath, something like this. And this is too big. Make it a little bit smaller. Like this. Okay, this is in the center, this one as well. Okay, so let's download this file. We're going to download just the first page with transparent background. By the way, I'm using the pro version and I've got this option. Otherwise, you need to go in another place. I will create another video to show you how to remove the background. So let's download this one. Let's double check transparent background, the first page, download this. Few more seconds, there you go. I will grab this here. Let's open another window. And this is our PNG file. Okay, so let's move it here. Now I'm going to, let's say this one is going to be on the first page. The normal design, Control C, Control V here, make it smaller on the middle, and I will create pattern just like this. And there you go. Again. So grab all of them, hold out and grab them with the mouse. I think this one is done. Let's duplicate this and I will make one even smaller. And after that we're going to see which one is going to be better. Because it's not gonna fit very well on the text if the image is too big. Now let's do this one as well. Okay, this one. like this, make it smaller. Perfect. So make it even smaller. And now, like, nope, all of them, grab them, all of them, make it seamless. I think it's done. So now let's download 2 to 5. Actually, all of them without the first one. Okay, remove this one, download. There you go, it's ready. Let's move this file here, extract it, done. And I'm going to upload all of the images here. Now I can remove these patterns and add this one. Make it on the whole page. This one. Let's do the different thing. This one is going to be here. This one here. And the last one, we can do the last one. Perfect. So now let's start with this one or with this one. So let's start with this one. We need to click on the image, go on apps, type clipping mask. There you go, clipping mask. Click on the clipping mask. Just wait few more seconds. Make sure you're click on the image that you want to clip, start masking, and it's gonna open this window. You can mask shapes. Just wait few more seconds. There you go, you can mask any shape. You can also mask text, but it's going to be just this one. So we need to upload an image, choose an image, and we need to do this one. Double click, and you can see add to design. Remove this image and you can see how it looks. Now we can go on edit, shadow, outline, make it smaller, let's say 7, and we can change the color and you can see how it looks. Let's go on the next one. This one first. Start masking, image, choose an image, same text. We can make it bigger or smaller. Let's keep it like this. Add to design. Remove this image. Edit. Nope, I removed the background. So with Ctrl Z I'm going back. Edit. Shadow. Outline. Let's do 7 or 8. 7. 7 I think is good. Type 7. Okay, and change the color. Make it bigger to see how it looks. I think this one it looks better. Let's move it. Let's move this one. You can see the difference. This one, it looks much better. And now let's check the third one. Start masking, image, choose file, this one, add to design, remove this image, make it bigger. Now you can see the elements are much more recognizable in this pattern. So let's do the rest of the file. Shadow, outline, 7, and change the color. Perfect. I think this one is the best. You can see this one also very nice, but the smallest one is the perfect. So let's check this one. Start masking, image, choose file, add to design, remove this one, edit, shadow, outline, 7, and change the color. This one also is very nice because you can see the element on the image. So I think that's it for today, guys. I hope this video was helpful for you and you learned something new from me. If so, hit the subscribe button and notification bell. I will highly appreciate this. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next one.